It's day 2 of me installing my MICROLOCS. I got halfway finished yesterday. I honestly don't know exactly how many hours it took me because I stayed up as long as I could. I went to sleep at about 11 and I had to start and stop, start and stop. So in total, I'll say I was in the top of my head yesterday for maybe 10 hours. And that's like on and off. But anywho, I got this much done last night. Okay, so I try to keep track of how many I was installing. So in the future, I remember and don't have to like count them out one by one and stuff. Back of my head. That's the back of my head. Okay. So I tried to section it out as best I could with no mirror. And my husband did help me best as he could. He did pretty good. Sorry, listen. So I have 3 here. Sorry if the camera's shaking. I'm not a professional at this. I got 3 here. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix this line. I see it. And then I have 2 down here. And yeah, I'll clean up these lines. So don't worry about these lines. I got that part. But yeah. So I'm back at it again today. Today's day 2. I'm not sure if I'll get completely finished today because I do want to take my time. I don't want to rush because I need to get it right this time because this is going to be my final attempt to put these MICROLOCS in my hair and be on to my next project. Anyway, if you'd like to see the finished result, subscribe to my channel, and you can always leave comments down below. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask. If I have the answer, I'll answer it. If I don't, I'll try to find it. It's now 2:56, September 26, 2019. I am finally finished installing these MICROLOCS. I am going to sleep, but I just wanted to make this video because I made it. So that's all I got. But I'm gonna make this video real short and sweet, keep it simple, and show the back of my head in its completeness and its neatness. That's that. That's what it looks like. It's official. I'm official. It's been completely natural for, I don't know, maybe going on 9 years now. 8 or 9 years, wow. Didn't even realize that. But I don't miss no perm. So I went from those locks to this one. Anyway, I'm rambling now. I just came on here to show my hair. And, yep. And my Tiffany Haddish voice, she ready. No, she tired. Good night, YouTube.